Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's update our view on euro currency. You can see that our doubts yesterday are not in vain, and were not in vain. The market shows deep downside action. Yesterday we specifically talked about invalidation point for a bullish scenario because it was really very important to correctly estimate the level that's becoming important trigger for breaking of the bullish context. And actually the market right now is breaking it. On other markets, on the 10-year bonds, on dollar index, we do not see any significant action. What's particularly the reason for a deep drop on euro currency? Well, actually Donald Trump recently has made few statements. So first is about the investment $1 billion in the United States economy, and he promised to actually eliminate any bureaucracy barriers for those investors who would like to do this. So it actually evidently he is hinting on transferring on business to the United States from its let's call it as allies, as European Union, maybe even Japan. So the United States is opening the gates for and welcome any business transfer overseas to the United States territory. So that might be the reason. Maybe something else has happened, but actually we could see that euro currency currently is moving lower. But what is interesting is that dollar is rising and euro currency is dropping on the background and rising of the gold. Maybe some information is leaked in the market on some geopolitical moments. We will see. But currently, as on a daily chart, we still have nominally bullish context because we have daily bullish trend. It has not broken yet. Performance on the intraday charts makes me actually stay aside from any bullish ideas for now. Maybe investors are preparing for a CPI, by the way, so we'll get today. So maybe some anticipation of the rising of the inflation. We will see. But anyway, currently, things that we see on the intraday charts, it's not really good. So, for example, take a look. Our grabber is working perfectly. It has put the price not only below these lows, but significantly lower. And in fact, market currently coming back to the bottom of the right arm. And we already explained that this might trigger the chain reaction. First, a failure of the hand short suggests drop below the head. Below the head means the drop below the right arm of the big head and shoulders. And drop here, also it will be a big sign in favor of the failure. Currently, we can't speak about the butterfly here because nominally this stops slightly above this area. But you could use, if even do not use the shape of the butterfly, you could use extensions, potential downside targets. So currently market stands at a very important point, and it's really a big question whether it will break down this bottom of the right arm or not. But the fact that actually you already have the hand shoulders in place, market fails to break the neckline, returning back to the bottom of the right arm, it's already bearish. And from that standpoint, personally, I do not want to consider taking any longs anymore here. So we have given the chance to euro to stay around 105.25 area, ability to hold there. And actually market has formed, if you take a look at hourly chart, market has formed nice bounce from this area that we have specified. It was around this support, it was slightly deeper action, and then pullback has happened. But currently you can see market just collapsed. And you can see that speaking about this butterfly, it's already 127 has been completed, 1618 has been completed, and even larger scale ABCD pattern OP already has been passed. In fact, this is not some retracement or reaction on the OP. It has happened already here. And also here the minimum target of the butterfly has been achieved. So this is a kind of the continuation to the XOP, which is around 104.37. Speaking about some secondary moments, let's take a look. First of all, market was not able to stay in this range. It has dropped out once again in lower standing range. So now it stands in a range between 104.75 approximately to 105.35 area. It's previous consolidation. Market right now flirts around it. So actually it has ability, some room to keep going lower to this area. So that in two words what we have on euro currency. You can see that our worries were not in vain yesterday, as performance was not really impressive, and we have discussed this. Our target area has shown nice results, so indeed it was some kind of the last outpost for the bulls, and it has broken right now. So it means that despite we have daily trend on a bullish trend on the daily chart, I wouldn't consider currently any longs position by far. So in the current circumstances, it makes sense to see what will happen, and when the market will show some upward action, we could consider chances for possible taking the short position. That's in towards approximately the plan that we could follow. And it also will be probably important, the CPI numbers today, especially if they will be not in a row with the expectation. So let's see.